All right, so we got a Estes Tigres on a A83. We got my future Marine Rocketeer here. We ain't launched rockets in probably about 10 years. This is his first rocket launch. We built it the other day. We're gonna give it a shot. Wind's probably gonna take it off into those trees over there, but maybe not. So, one dog pushed the button. All right, so we're gonna do countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Woo! Beautiful. Nice. We're out here for the retrieval. See if it's still intact, see if we're all burnt up. Beautiful. All right, nice, nice. Looking good. Love that smell. That's that good. That's that good black powder. Classic Estes. Got the swivel on there that came down, got the extra long actually elastic shot cord, so looked great coming down, looked great going up. Nice. See what we got.
Uncle Rob had some fluids first one, and then a little bit, a couple years. Set up that rocket yesterday. What's it called?
Dragonite.
The Dragonite, because we about to ignite it into the sky. So we got continuity. Yep, light came on. I'm gonna give him a countdown from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah. Nice.
What you think about that? If the light bulb comes on.
What we got? We got continuity?
Yeah, we got continuity.
All right. So, haven't launched this one. This is his original rocket from back when he was like, what, 10 years old? Maybe?
Not even, probably like
8. The Estes Alpha 3. We got an A83 in there. It is a little windy today. Short, simple flight. Everything's ready to go. We're gonna do a countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it.
Give me a countdown, Byron, for 5. Hurry up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! I know you heard that. Woo! Oh, damn, boom! That shit came down fast.
All right, we got the Skylofter on an A83. We good?
And we got continuity.
All right. So, give me a countdown.
1, 2, 3, 5. That's the last one.
Why? 3, 1, 2, 3.
Why? Here. Or 3. Something like that. Well, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Look at her go. Oh, that goes up. I am now.
All right, so we got the Wizard on an A83. We're gonna see if it really does disappear. It's not a C65, go up into the atmosphere. We do got continuity.
Got continuity.
All right, you gonna give me a countdown?
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1-0.
We're actually going to get it back. We're actually going to get that one back. That sucker went up there. The Wizard, baby.
The Wizard. I'm ready. You got continuity.
I think so. Let's see. Boom.
And light came on.
So we got the Flash rocket out there, out of production. Probably lose it. That's how it works. Got another A83 in there. Got some wind today. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. That was the shortest flight today.
That definitely was.
Nice.
See if we got continuity. Push the button. Light came on, we got continuity. Earlier, when we filled the Dragonite, we put an 883 in it. But we're feeling a little bit froggy, I'm going a little bigger. So B64. Are you ready?
Ready.
I must.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let me know. I'll get you to Mars. Give
We're
me a
going.
countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We might get that one.
We might get it.
Oh, we're gonna get it.
Hopefully. It's gonna be a longer walk. Please stay out of the trees.
Oh! It went in the tree.
There you go. Yeah, get the shot cord off that branch if you can unhook it.
You gotta, can you tear some more limbs off of it for me? Like,
Yeah, I think you got it. Or did you miss it? You could just get it up. Okay. Well, we got our stick back.
there's that. It's in another tree though.
Now just maybe we can just kind of keep feeding it through, kind of like see if you can get the nose cone up out of there.
So I'm trying. Tell you what, my one arm's getting fucking tired dangling this bitch. Can you tell me? Can you see where the nose cone's at? I see.
Okay. Now you might. Okay, so it's literally just on one branch. If you can wiggle it.
You know what? I might be able to throw the stick down.
Don't let go of the stick.
Oh, I see.
Because you see, it's literally the shot cords. Yep, just like that. Yeah. Now you could probably just kind of let it come down, and I can grab it.
Ready? Drop it.
All right.
Watch out for the tree branch. It might smack you. You're welcome, Uncle Rob.
Whoa.